Hey, welcome back to part 3 of this. Finally got the little feet to tab in. And then after that we take the head and we go forward like this, and then ta-da, there is Storm Cloud all put together in its little jet mode. And I love how this little tab becomes its landing gear. Would have been nice if they had little wheels on there or if it folded up, but oh well. Now let's go to Visper. Again, arms go out. A little bit more rotation with Visper. Although Visper, you can't bend his forearm because his doesn't have elbows. He does have little hands, but they can't really move. Legs go out, in. Not that far forward. Up to about there. About there for Matrix. So Vesper, I could definitely see him being a lot more easier to transform. So straighten out the little bat wings. What do we do? Okay, bend the little toes. Part goes down. So yep, little toe part goes bent down. Now there's nothing on the bat for the heels. It's just the front toes that gets bent down. And then it's saying just flip him over and pull up the pad. So he's like super duper easiest one. Just kind of take this, fold it up and over,